Let me get 2 ham hocks. 2 ham hocks. I don't want no crab. 2 ham hocks. And us, infant and us. Infant and us. Infant and us.
Hi my Pookies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today, on today's agenda, I am going to be doing my hair. So fingers crossed when I come back at the end of this video after the outro, my hair won't be looking like this, but we're going to be looking at our video from, I think it's from Vegas when it was my birthday and we went to MeowWolf. I had such a great time. They had like this really cool stair way in there, so it was like really fun. But I hope you guys enjoy, and while you guys watch that, I'm gonna be tackling this. Y'all know I don't really care about coming on here looking any kind of way because like that's the real true and raw me, so I really don't care about that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye.
What have you discovered?
Based on the information you believe, I can see now.
The acknowledgement or
At MeowWolf.
is the first rung in the ladder of life. You not get ahead of us. The card you have acquired is a symbol of our faith in you and an invitation to the world. My family's business. Use it to learn and explore as you wish. I want you to fully experience the source of my family's success. This is definitely a role of miracle power and transformation.
Good, who you on the phone with? Who is on the phone?
Walter.
Walter? Walter who?
Hold on. Go here. Did you?
They hung up? Or they talking shit? What they saying?
So wait, I'm gonna say this. Oh, I don't know.
Followed by the pound sign? Let out some quick energy. Whew. Now we're in the space tunnel.
Let go.
Hall of white men.
I'm scared.
Hall of white men. Frightening. Infinite us, infinite us, infinite us, infinite us. Do I spy with my little eye? A Randall?
Oh my goodness.
What's the chances?
What is the chance?
Let's log into your channel. Let's see what you got to say.
Okay, hidden folder. Ooh.
96 hour. Yeah, you point. You got cute nails. 96 hours of energy. They gave them crack.
That's fucking crack. He started. Hold on, y'all. Watch this man.
That man on that crack, man. Crack rocks.
That is crack.
96
I know crack
hours.
when I see it.
I know it. Dramco. Hey, Miss Ma'am. Let me get 2 ham hocks. 2 ham hocks. I don't want no crab. 2 ham hocks. Pig feet. Nothing. Give me the leg. Give me the leg. Partner. Man, what the fuck my ham hocks?
Elbows tight to the
What?
body.
Portal travel safety protocol.
Man, take my head off. My knees gonna come off. Oh Lord.
Okay, what's
That
it?
irritability around playing.
16 symptoms of portal sickness.
Doppelganger battle. Oh my God.
We fighting niggas, okay? Skeleton over there.
No, but these fish people. This Darwin.
Huh?
This is Darwin.
Oh shit. The fish people took over. They had the diamonds.
Diamond rock.
They had the VVS's for real.
They had the BB. Okay,
And then they prayed.
Okay, those are the little
To the
source
constellations.
materials. Those are all the source things.
They prayed to
Right.
the stars
Yeah. And then that was the little
that we would be whole.
source. Mm-hmm. Still
Fish
fish
people.
people. Okay, then that's each source.
The
That
stars.
was a little thing that was on a whatchamacallit computer.
The constellations spoke out.
Yeah.
And you pour the liquid.
Now, I don't know what this means. We ain't got this far.
And you get the staff.
Okay.
Pour the liquid, you get the staff. And you touch heaven and earth. Body
Okay.
and soul.
All
Time
right.
and space.
And that's it.
And that's it.
That's the end of the story. All right, great.
But don't be a skeleton.
I don't even know what that is.
I don't know what they.
The burial chamber we were in. What the fuck is this?
It's a rope. And we climbing. I'm like, this is way crazier than you expect when you go through here.
Oh my God, this is fucking crazy.
Yep. Keep going. Trying not to get your ass.
Like porn video.
It's my porn video. Wanted to cut that out, yeah. Baby, 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 you know I can't hear a thing. How is you cool? How is you cool? How is you cool? We could fight in this telephone booth. Cause baby, you know, she.
Miriam, where are you? Why are you looking everywhere for
Shit, you
Where
better
are
call
you?
Miriam to catch these hands with you. Cause the bitch get the fuck
Where
out.
are you?
A bitch get the fuck out the fucking telephone booth, ho. I'll run your ass down, bitch.
Why you real new age?
So we're trying to complete all the little sections. We at the camera and we can't get the camera to work. Man, shit. We on our way out of MeowWolf area. 15? Yeah. This shit cool. Bring your fucking kids here. Spend that money. It ain't even that high. Look at this fucking shit right here. Look at this. They can sit in this hole. Come bring your fucking kids here, man. And then look at this. So that's the car they can sit in. And then look at this, the full human.
The QR code, you are giving us permission to test your brain's critical.
Now while y'all watched it, I'm gonna show y'all how much I got done on my hair. Okay, so I got it washed, stretched, blow dried, and then I put them in 2 straight backs because I have to go to work tomorrow, so I'm gonna just wear his scarf tomorrow. But yes, that's how much I got done. So in the next video, you will see me doing my hair. All right, fine. Or maybe you guys are gonna get Christmas content. I don't know. It depends. I don't know which one I'm gonna edit first. So, bye.